Guys, we are finally done mechanically with the Porsche. Hopefully, as you guys know, we did the water pump, the thermostat, the heater control valve. We did a coolant level sensor. We did a coolant temperature sensor. We did all 6 spark plugs. We replaced one bad ignition coil. We did all the brakes. We got the rotors cut. We got OEM pads. We got Modal, I think RBF 600 brake fluid in there. It's been a long week. As you guys know, we finally got it running. It runs good. Now it's time to take it off the jacks and go for a first drive. Also, we got new tires as well because the old tires were from 2011 or 2012, and unfortunately those are just, way too old, and they were cracked and there was a nail in them and all this stuff. So we got the Falcon FK460 All Seasons. Great deal from Belt Tires, so thank you to them. Now will be a quick time lapse. I'm gonna take the car off the jack stands. Naveed is finishing up some interior work, and Naveed will be the first person to drive it. So let's get to it. Works good. Radio we'll worry about later. This guy's got the top down. Let's break in these brakes. Ready? Shifting good, yeah. Oh boy, oh boy. New tires, new brakes. Take some time for them to warm up and break in. Oh, one light went away. We only got the airbag light on now. How are they?
Alright, I mean, they're breaking in.
So far, so good. Temps look good. That suspension feels jacked up.
It's terrible.
Chill, yo, chill. I mean, when he did that, it didn't feel that bad. It didn't feel boaty. Not too bad.
It's like I'm driving the Evo.
Yeah, relax, bud.
The Evo's the same alignment.
Damn, I miss being in the car. Oh, it's like 20 degrees outside. Easy. So far, so good.
Ready?
Chill. Dude, this guy's driving it like he knows that it's all good. Chill out, yo. This is not the tail of the dragon. We have to make sure the car is good.
Oh, it's phenomenal. Look, it's keeping temp. It didn't lose traction.
Alright guys, our first drive was completed and everything went according to plan. We finally found out what this car feels like on the road with the fresh tires and brakes. Brakes are awesome, tires are awesome. It is really cold outside, so we didn't really push it as much as we'd like to, but we drove about 30 to 40 miles just to kind of make sure everything is working properly and just not overheating. The heater's working good. So everything checked out, so awesome on that. But now we have opened the can of worms for the suspension. So until now, we never drove the car, so we didn't really know what the suspension was like. And unfortunately, that needs a lot of loving too. There's clunks, there's bangs, there's creaks, there's play in the steering wheel. So that is going to be, on the list as well for our budget track build. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode where we look at some of the electrical gremlins. We're going to be washing the car and detailing it. We're probably going to get PDR. Make sure you tune in and have a great weekend.